P&I क्लब को लेके जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है मैंने बहुत लोगों को डाला था लिंक्डइन पर, वहां पर किसी एक सर ने एक पूरा ईमेल और डिटेल्स बना के भेजी। तो दिस इज द नॉलेज टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माय एबिलिटीज। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। This is one of the most important videos to know common loopholes used by some unethical shipping companies. So पहला है that he is missing not debt classification. When a seafarer disappears overboard, the company may initially classify the case as missing instead of death. Why it matters? Death compensation may be delayed or reduced. Insurance payout may be postponed until legal death is declared, and sometimes it can take up to 7 years. Like sometimes families must wait until a court presumed death under laws like the Indian Evidence Act, which allows presumption of death after 7 years if the person is not found. Good contracts specify missing presumed dead after an investigation, so compensation can be paid earlier. Second pointer, claiming personal negligence. अरे उसने हेलमेट नहीं पहना था, वो शराब पिए हुए था, he did this because he wanted to commit suicide like something and he wanted money. So companies may argue that seafarer caused the accident through intoxication, ignoring safety procedures, entering restricted areas. Result, they try to deny liability or reduce compensation. इसीलिए it is very important for us to be very careful about all the PPEs that we wear, and we are very careful on what kind of work we are doing. All the checklists are there not, because if at all you are working with a bad company, they will try to ensure कि personal negligence दिखा सकें. They try to deny liability or reduce compensation. However, international maritime standards and the MLC still require ship owners to provide financial security for that और लॉन्ग टर्म डिसेबिलिटी ऑफ सी फेयर्स, और दिस इज नाइस. तो इस केस में एमएलसी ने बोला भैया तुम्हारे जहाज पे डेथ हुई है, चाहे कोई भी कारण रहा हो, आप पैसे पे करोगे. दिस इज व्हाट हैज बीन सेड. थर्ड इज, तो इसलिए प्लीज एंश्योर टू सी दैट योर शिप हैज गॉट अ वैलिड एमएलसी सर्टिफिकेट. थर्ड इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिटन अंडर फॉरेन jurisdiction. Many ships sail under flag of convenience such as Panama, Marshall Islands, Liberia. Contracts may require disputes to be settled in this country. So what happens is, say you are sailing in open waters beyond 24 nautical miles of any country, or beyond the EEZ 200 nautical miles of a country. So वहाँ पर suppose something happens, you are presumed to be dead or you die. So in that case flag of convenience, तो ship is registered in Panama, तो company will say अरे भैया पनामा में registered है, हम तो यहीं पर सारा settle करेंगे. So now no, my family or anybody cannot go to Panama to fight the case because the legal costs are very high. Difficult to attend hearings, unfamiliar legal systems. This discourages families from pursuing. तो इस केस के अंदर तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में रिक्वायर डिस्प्यूट्स सेटल इन दीज कंट्रीज. तो आपको मेंशन कराना है, देखना है कि वहां पर ये मेंशन होना चाहिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में रिक्वायर disputes to be settled in the country of residence of the seafarer, something like that. Misclassification of employment. Some companies try to label crew as contract workers or independent contractors. Why they do it? To argue that employment protection rules do not apply, compensation benefits are limited. Proper seafarer employment agreement जो आप sign करते हैं under international rules should clearly identify the worker as a seafarer employee. इसलिए very important जो आप agreement sign करते हैं, it is very important to see that. Delayed or weak accident investigation. If a company controls the investigation, it may delay submitting reports, provide incomplete information, influence witness statements. But maritime accidents should also be investigated by flag set authority and sometimes port authorities. Independent investigation reduces manipulation. Next, lack of proper insurance coverage. Some ships operate with minimal insurance coverage or poorly documented policies. The key protection usually comes from P&I insurance provided by maritime insurers such as international group of P&I clubs. If insurance is weak or expired, compensation becomes difficult. Seafarers should verify that valid MLC financial security certificates are on board. ये ध्यान रखना है. Pressure on families to accept small settlements. In some cases, families are offered quick settlements much lower than contractual compensation. Reasons given might include long court process. वो डराएंगे कि बहुत टाइम लगेगा. Uncertainty about legal outcome, difficulty proving liability. Families sometimes accept smaller amounts because they urgently need money. So next video will be how seafarers can protect themselves. Thank you very much. मर्चेंट नेवी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो तो मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्ट ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करो. लाखों लोगों ने डाउनलोड किया, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वही मिलेगी. और अगर कहीं सेलर हो या मर्चेंट नेवी कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हो तो सेलर प्रो ऐप डाउनलोड करो. एक जगह सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.